Hi, Ben the Builder here, and today we're going to talk about underpinning. So we're going to talk about what is underpinning, why do we underpin, and how do we construct it. Alright, so now we're going to talk about why we need to underpin. So when we're digging next to an existing building, and we're going down to an elevation that is lower or deeper than the existing building, there's a chance of that building, not being properly supported. So we have a little demonstration over here. This kind of represents what we're doing out here and why we need to do it. So the brick represents the existing building, and the dirt here represents, the dirt that is supporting the building structure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig this dirt away, which is going to represent where our deeper footings and building structure is going to go. And you'll see what happens, if we don't properly support it. As you can see, as we keep digging down deeper and deeper, that the earth starts falling away and it doesn't properly support the structure, which again is why we need to underpin, which gives the structure, the existing structure, the proper support underneath it. Now we're going to talk about what is underpinning. Underpinning is where we dig underneath an existing foundation and dig underneath it and try to put something in there that will be structurally sound and hold it up. So in our case here, we have our existing foundation, and then we put concrete with reinforcing underneath it. And that gives the existing building, a good stabilization and structurally sound building.